Hello, this is a quick video on how I fixed the buzzing noise on my Basestation. This is a version 1 Basestation, and it was started off with a light hum, and then over the course of a few weeks became like a very loud buzzing noise, and then actually ended in a funny crunch noise, and then it stopped. So I thought to myself, I'm not paying the £120 repair fee to HTC. I could get a cheaper one second hand for less than that. So I thought I may as well just open it up and have a look and see. So this is what I did. So first things first, you have to get in to the Basestation, and you can see it's composed of two parts. This comes away quite easily. I use this precision instrument. It's called a knife. It's a sharp knife. The sharper the better, actually, because you need to get it right inside that gap, and then give it a little tilt, and you'll see that there's a tiny little latch, and there's one on all four sides along with some glue, so be careful, don't overdo it, and it'll just pop away like so. So this is the inner workings. I'm not really sure what everything does, but I've got a general idea, enough of an idea to tell you what I think has happened. But inside are a couple of lasers which are scattered throughout your living room or your room, and they're scattered by these rotating what look like scattering lenses, and they rotate at a gazillion miles per hour, and obviously they need to be perfectly balanced so that they don't vibrate as they spin. And I don't know if you can see, but it's basically a circular lens with a little dot of glue on each four corners, and the same goes for this one, a little dot of glue. But in my case, what happened was this lens had just completely flung off. The glue had failed, and it was just in the case. So I just turned it, out came the lens. It was in perfect condition, minus the glue. So I just used some super glue, and when I say I used some super glue, I put a dot on the end of the tweezers and just put 1, 2, 3, 4 tiniest dots of super glue, put the lens back on, pressed it down firmly, and that's it. Give it a quick test. Not only did the buzz go away, it's just stayed in place and has to be the easiest fix ever. Putting the lid back on was as easy as putting the lid back on. There is one particular way round you have to do it, otherwise it won't go back on. But I have to warn you, don't be silly and plug it in whilst it's on and start prodding about. You will damage it, and you may even damage your eyes because of the lasers that are being used. But hopefully, if you have this buzzing noise, it's something to do with these scattering lenses have either come off or come undone or something along those lines. So hope you found that video useful. It was certainly the easiest fix I've ever done, and I'm not really a technical person, but if there's anything I can help with, just leave a question in the comments. That's it. Bye for now.